Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing well by the grace of Allah. My dear students, I want to share with you something and I advise you today about struggle and hard working. Guys, hard working makes you successful to achieve your destiny and continuously struggle for any positive purpose make your dreams come true. In this lecture, today we will learn the word problems of chapter number 5. The topic is distance from exercise 5A. Now before starting the topic, let's take a quick review of some special words related to addition and subtraction which help us to find the operation in the given problem. We can find the operation in word problems by these special words like total, altogether, sum for addition, while difference, left, and how many more for subtraction. Let's move to the problems. Problem number 1 is Maya purchased 24 meter, 25 centimeter of a rope and Nancy purchased 17 meter and 15 centimeter. What is the total length of rope both of them purchased? In this example, we have to find the total length of the rope. And you all know very well when we use the word total, it means we have to add. Alright students, after that we will make the statements. The statement number 1 is Maya purchased length of the rope 24 meter and 25 centimeter. Nancy purchased 70 meter and 15 centimeter of the rope. Now we have to find the total length of the rope both of them purchased. As you all know, we use the word total for addition. So what we do? Now the solution is we will write the length of the rope vertically 24 meter and 25 centimeter, then 17 meter and 15 centimeter, and we have to add them to find the total length. So the total length of the rope is 41 meter and 40 centimeter. How will we get this length? Now let's see. When we add these lengths, 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. 0 in the same column, 1 will be carried to the next column. 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4. 40 centimeter and 4 plus 7 is equal to 11. 1 is in the same column and 1 will be carried to the next column. 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4. So the answer is 41 meter and 40 centimeter. Now the result of this problem is total length of the rope, both of them purchased, is 41 meter and 40 centimeter. Problem number 2 is Rabia has 54 meter 20 centimeter of ribbon to make flowers. 29 meter 39 centimeter is not used. How much ribbon used? Now we have to find the ribbon used by Rabia when she makes flower. She has 54 meter and 20 centimeter of ribbon. After making the flower, 29 meter 39 centimeter is left over. So how much ribbon is used? We have to find the length of the ribbon used by Rabia to make flowers. You all know when we solve the word problem, first we write the statements. Statement number 1 is the total length of the ribbon is 54 meter and 20 centimeter. The ribbon left over is 29 meter and 39 centimeter. Now we have to find the ribbon which is used by Rabia to make the flowers. So the length of the ribbon is used is equal to question mark, and we have to use the operation in this sum is subtraction or minus. Right, my dear students, now we will solve these sums by writing them vertically. First we will write the total length of the ribbon 54 meter and 20 centimeter. Then the ribbon left over is 29 meter and 39 centimeter. Now we are going to subtract the remaining length of the ribbon from the total length. Now how will we subtract? Let's see. Zero minus 9. We cannot subtract 9 from 0. We will borrow 1. Then it will be 10. 10 minus 9 is equal to 1. Then 1 minus 3 we cannot subtract, so we borrow 1 from 4 meter. Then it will be 11. 11 minus 3 is equal to 8. 3 minus 9. Obviously we cannot subtract, so we borrow 1 from this 5. Then 13 minus 9 is equal to 4, and 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. The result of this problem is length of the ribbon used is equal to 24 meter and 81 centimeter. For further explanation, let's take another example. Now problem number 3 is a tailor used 1 meter 35 centimeter cloth to make a shirt and 2 meter and 5 centimeter to make trousers. What is the length of the cloth he used altogether? My dear students, you can see in this example we have the word altogether, and the word altogether is used for addition. To solve the word problem, our first step is statements. The first statement is cloth used to make shirt 1 meter 35 centimeter. Cloth used to make trousers is equal to 2 meter and 5 centimeter, and we have to find the total length of cloth used. Now let's solve this sum by writing them the values of the length vertically. 1 meter 35 centimeter of the cloth is used to make shirt, and 2 meter and 5 centimeter is used to make trouser, and we have to find the total length of the cloth is used. How will we find it? Now let's see. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. 0 is in the same column. 1 will be carry. 3 plus 1, 4, and 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. It means 3 meter and 40 centimeter of the cloth is used to make a dress. So tailor used total length of the cloth used by tailor is 3 meter and 40 centimeter. Dear students, I hope you understand the previous problems. Now let's take another example. Problem number 4 is Maria is at the distance of 10 kilometer and 150 meter. She travelled 8 kilometer to 60 meter by bus and rest of the distance by rickshaw. Find the distance travelled by rickshaw. Now we have to find the distance which she travelled by rickshaw. The distance travelled by bus is given to you, that is 8 kilometer to 60 meter. How can we find it? Now let's see. Write the statement first. Statement number 1 is the total distance. The total distance is equal to 10 kilometer and 150 meter. Distance travelled by bus is 8 kilometer and 260 meter, and the distance covered by rickshaw is equal to question mark. We have to find the distance, the remaining distance travelled by rickshaw. So we will use the operation minus. Now let's find the solution of this question. First we will write the distances vertically. 10 kilometer, 150 meter is the total distance, and we have to subtract 8 kilometer to 60 meter distance travelled by bus, and we have to find the distance travelled by rickshaw, that is 1 kilometer and 890 meter. How to subtract? 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. 5 minus 6, so we borrow 1. Then it will be 15. 15 minus 6 is equal to 9. Then 0 minus 2. We borrow 1 from this number, but it is 0. So we borrow 1 from this. Then it will be 10. 10 will be 9 when we borrow 1 from this number. Then 10 minus 2 is equal to 8. 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. And 0 is written as it is. So the result of the problem is distance covered by rickshaw is equal to 1 kilometer 890 meters. Problem number 5 is the string attached to Sid's kite is 21 meter long. If Sid lengthens it by 7 meter, how long will the string be? What does it mean? It means the Sid's kite initially is of 21 meter long, but he lengthens it 7 meter. Now we have to find the final length of the kite string. Move to the statement. Statement number 1 is initial length of string is equal to 21 meter. Sid lengthens it by 7 meter. So what will be the final length of the string, or we can say the total length of the string? So we will use the operation plus. The addition and subtraction of the number is very easy for all of you. So let's see how to add these measurements. Now 21 meter plus 7 meter is equal to 28 meter. It means the final length or the total length of the kite string is 28 meter. So the result is the final length of the string is equal to 28 meter. Alright my dear students, now I am going to take another example which is little bit different from the previous problem. The problem number 6 is The length of a bed is 1 meter 70 centimeter. The bed cover hangs 35 centimeter from both sides. What is the total length of bed cover? In this example, you can see that the length of the bed is 1 meter and 70 centimeter, and the bed cover hangs from both sides. From both sides means from two sides of the bed, the 35 centimeter. So we have to find the total length of bed cover. As you all know, when we solve the word problem, first we will write the statements. Statement number 1 is the length of a bed is equal to 1 meter and 70 centimeter. Then second statement, the bed cover hangs on both sides of the bed is 35 plus 35 is equal to 70 centimeter. Why we will add 35 two times? Because the bed cover hangs 35 centimeter from both sides, so we will add them and we get 70 centimeter. Then third statement is we have to find the length of bed cover. The total length of the bed cover we will find by using the operation addition or plus. Let's move to the solution. First, we will write the length of the bed 1 meter and 70 centimeter. Then the length of bed cover hangs both sides is 70 centimeter. Then we will add them. We will get 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. 7 plus 7 is equal to 14. 4 is in the same column. 1 will be carried to the next. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So the total length of the bed cover is 2 meter and 40 centimeter. Now finally the result of this problem is length of bed cover is equal to 2 meter and 40 centimeter. Understand the concepts of the word problems of measurement. Remember one thing, practice more and more as you can because it makes you perfect. This is the end of the today's lecture. Now see you inshallah in the next lecture with new concepts. Till then, take a very good care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.